The U.S. military's focus on Marine air-ground task training underscores its commitment to versatile and integrated combat capabilities. This training emphasizes the seamless coordination between air and ground forces, enabling swift and effective responses in diverse operational scenarios. Through rigorous exercises and simulations, the training modules prepare Marines to navigate complex environments, employing cutting-edge tactics and strategies. It hones their ability to synchronize air support with ground operations, fostering a cohesive and agile force. The United States war tactics have evolved throughout its history, inspired by ever-changing political factors, technology, and military strategy. In the Revolutionary War, untrained militia used guerrilla tactics against the larger British forces. These tactics focus on mobility, fast attacks, and exploiting terrain that is difficult for the enemy to reach. In conflicts such as the Iraq and Afghanistan wars, the U.S. faced challenges in dealing with enemies who used guerrilla tactics and unconventional warfare. They adapted their strategy to focus on counterinsurgency and rebuilding local communities. The synergy between ground forces and aviation assets epitomizes the military's ability to execute joint operations seamlessly. This synergy fosters a more dynamic and responsive force capable of handling diverse missions. This strategy continues to develop in accordance with geopolitical dynamics and modern technological developments. The U.S. military's commitment to refining aviation weapons and tactics underscores its dedication to maintaining a competitive edge, ensuring readiness to counter emerging threats on a global scale. Aviation weapons development stands as a cornerstone of the U.S. military's advancement. Continuous innovation ensures a robust arsenal that aligns with evolving threats, reinforcing the nation's defense capabilities. The integration of technology and tactics plays a pivotal role in enhancing the efficiency and precision of aviation weapons. This synergy empowers military units to adapt swiftly to dynamic challenges in modern warfare. Collaborative efforts within the military framework facilitate the seamless integration of aviation weapons into broader defense strategies. The U.S. military's commitment to employing aviation weapons and tactics extends beyond defense strategies. It encompasses initiatives aimed at global peacekeeping and humanitarian missions, where precise air support is crucial for delivering aid and maintaining stability. The proficiency in employing aviation weapons and tactics is not just a product of technological advancement, but also the culmination of rigorous training, continuous evaluation, and adaptive learning methodologies. As threats evolve and adversaries develop sophisticated strategies, the adaptability of aviation weapons and tactics becomes paramount. The multifaceted nature of modern warfare demands a comprehensive approach that integrates various components, wherein aviation weapons and tactics play an integral role in shaping successful military operations. Training in aviation tactics and weapon systems extends beyond theoretical knowledge, emphasizing practical application and real-world simulations. This hands-on approach enhances the skills and decision-making abilities of military personnel. The evolution of aviation weaponry encompasses advancements in areas like stealth technology, precision-guided munitions, and unmanned aerial systems, empowering the military with a diverse array of tools for various mission requirements. Also featured in this video are videos of U.S. Marines with the 3D Marine Division participating in a squad competition at the Jungle Warfare Training Center and at Camp Gonsalves, Okinawa, Japan, January 27, 2023. This week-long competition was held to test squads from across the Marine Corps in their mastery. For 81 years, Marines and sailors of the Fighting Third have distinguished themselves by our core values, small unit excellence, and mental and physical toughness. The 3D Marine Division continues to build on this legacy today as a critical part of the stand-in force in the Indo-Pacific. U.S. Marine Corps video by Escheat, Callahan Morris. Thanks for watching. See you the next videos.